everyone, my name is Mohsen Ali and welcome back to my channel, Global Scope News. Today, we will talk about an important topic, the statement made by Mark Rutte, the new NATO Security General, regarding Russia and nuclear weapons. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel. Your supports help us keep bringing you important news. Let's dive in. Mark Rutte, who just became the NATO Security General, recently spoke at his first press conference. He said that he does not see any immediate threat of Russia using nuclear weapons. This is good news because nuclear weapons can cause massive destructions. Rutte mentions that while the words from the Russian leaders might seem careless and dangerous, it doesn't mean that Russia will actually use nuclear weapons soon. Now, what did President Vladimir Putin say that caused so much attention? It's a question mark. Last week, Putin said that Russia might change its military plans. He mentioned that if a country that does not have nuclear weapons, like Ukraine, attack Russia with help from a country that has nuclear weapons, that would be considered a serious threat. Putin comments have raised concerns in many countries, especially in Europe. At the same time, Ukraine is asking for permission to use long-range missiles from Western countries to hit military targets in Russia. Rutte supports Ukraine's right to defend itself and believes it's essential for NATO countries to continue giving military aid to Ukraine. He said that helping Ukraine now is very important. The more we help Ukraine, the sooner the war can end. This is a crucial point because if we do not support Ukraine, the conflict could get loose. Rutte also pointed out that the cost of supporting Ukraine is much lower than what we would have to pay if we let Putin win. If we don't stand with Ukraine, there could be a higher chance of a larger conflict, which could be more costly and dangerous for everyone. While Rutte believes we need to help Ukraine, he also understands that the situation is very tough on the ground. He said that Russia is making slow progress in Ukraine, but it's coming at a big cost. Rutte mentions that about 1,000 Russian soldiers are reported to be killed or injured every day. This shows how intense the fighting is and how much both soldiers are suffering. As the new NATO chief, Rutte laid out their main goals for his time in office. First, he wants to support Ukraine and make sure they have what they need to fight back. Second, he aims to strengthen NATO's defense. This means making it very clear that if any country attacks a NATO member, NATO will respond strongly. This is very important for keeping peace and preventing wars. Third, Rutte wants to build a relationship with other countries around the world, especially in places like the Indo-Pacific This is vital because security challenges do not only come from Europe, they can happen anywhere in the world. When asked about former US President Donald Trump, Root gave him some credit. Trump had a complicated relationship with NATO, but Root said that Trump helped NATO members to spend more on their military. Root noted that the NATO countries are now spending much more on defense than when Trump became president in 2017. This increase in spending shows that NATO is very serious about protecting its members. We would also talk about Kamala Harris, who is Trump's opponent in the upcoming US presidential election. He called her a respected leader and said he would work with whoever wins with election. This is a very positive message because it shows that NATO is ready to cooperate with any leader to ensure security and peace. Mark Rutte has a strong background. He was the Prime Minister of the Netherlands until earlier this year, when his government fell apart. In June, he took on the role of NATO Secretary General. Normally, this position lasts 4 years, but Jens was in the role for 10 years. This tells us how important the job is, especially during times of conflict. In this farewell message, Stoltenberg wished Root good luck and said he was confident NATO would be in good hands with Root. This is reassuring for NATO members, especially as they face many security challenges. In conclusion, the situation with Russia and NATO is very complex but important. Mark Rutte comments reminds us that while there may be dangerous talk from Russia, it's essential to stay calm. The support for Ukraine and strengthening NATO's defenses are critical steps we must take to maintain peace. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to Global Scope News. Your support means a lot and helps us continue to bring you the very important updates